Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. In this video, I'm going to give you the front brake torque specifications on the 2007 to 2011 Honda CR-V. If you need step-by-step how-to, make sure you check out the video library and you'll find a complete step-by-step guide on how to replace these front brake pads and rotors. But sometimes you just need the torque specs to get the job done right. Now your bracket to knuckle bolt, 19 millimeters, this is going to be tightened down to 101 foot-pounds. Half-inch torque wrench will probably work best for you in this case. Your caliper to bracket bolt, I believe that's a 14 millimeter, and this is tightened down to 37 foot-pounds. A 3/8 torque wrench might help you out there, or a digital will work out for all of these torque specs. Now last, the lug nuts. Tighten these up in a star pattern, and you're going to tighten these down to 80 foot-pounds. This is where I get my brake torque specifications, and this is the motor guide book. If you need brake torque specs on a different vehicle, comment below, shoot me a text, and I'll help you out. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Check out the video library, and I'll see you guys in the next hopefully helpful video.